making a video. Do something.
I don't know how to do the pose.
Do something. Play with the hair. Yeah, look at me, baby. Do something.
I have a headache. I have a juicy
DIY with Pat. DIY with Pat. DIY with Pat.
Hey guys, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's videos, we are diving into the world of hair extension. Join me as I help my amazing friends get ready for a party. So today I will be fixing hair, wigs, and wig extension because we ran into a little challenge. As you can see, or as you might notice, her natural hair is incredibly silky, which can be a bit tricky when blending it in with the wig. But don't worry, we are going to work through it together. So first, let's take a closer look at the extension. A good wig should blend seamlessly with your natural hair, and we want to create a flawless look. So I'll show you some of the tips and tricks to ensure everything stays in place with silky hair. So as you can see, she's trying to get her makeup also ready. So here we go. Let's go in. So I'm trying to hold the hair in a net. The net has a lot of spaces inside to make airflow easy. So the product I'm going to use over here, though I didn't show the product I use in this particular video, I prefer using as lightweight mousse for this particular. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but I prefer to use a lightweight mousse for my videos. The reason why is because it holds the hair in place. This hair, we are just going for a party, and when we come back, we are going to remove everything. So now that we have got a little more holds, let's start styling. So as you can see, we are struggling. The problem I was talking about earlier is the struggle to fix the hair into the net. That is what I was explaining earlier. So as you can see, I have to start brushing all over again to keep her hair in place. We don't want to use too much glue in this particular hair, so that is why we are not doing too much or we are taking our time to make it fixing, because it's just a party where we'll come back and take it out. So no one wants to use too much glue gel to hold the hair in place. So now that we have got a little more hold, let's start styling. I'm carefully blending her natural hair into the extension. So when you carefully look at the front part of the hair, as we are doing that, so it's all about patience and finesse. Okay, so take your time. If you try this at home, don't forget to leave a message, and don't forget to subscribe to this particular channel. And you look at the standing. Okay, look at how after fixing into the net, look at how it looks. I know this girl is a little bit she's a little bit I don't know the word to use, but whenever you are you know those people that when you are having a conversation, she will challenge you on everything. That is this particular girl. She will challenge you on every little thing. So feel free, take your time. She's also doing her makeup because we were late for the party. So I told her to start doing her makeup as I'm getting her hair ready as well. So this net thing we kept, finally I think we got it now. It's been back and forth with the net because her hair is super silky. We have to take our time to be going back and forth, and I understand. So now that we got a little more hold, let's start styling. Okay, look at, you see how the front look like right now. That is what I was looking for. I'm carefully blending in her natural hair at the front. So as we go along, please take your time to watch everything from head to toe. From head to toe, not from head to toe. So over here, our video is going to be a bit blurry, because I said we were in a hurry, so everything was all over the place. See, she's smiling. Look at that cute dimples. Yeah, so we were struggling. When we got here, camera was not camera. Is that even English? So we were pulling, push. And mind you, this is not human hair. So that is why it's looking a bit scanty. It's not human hair, but it's after we finished doing this hair, it looks so cute, so amazing. So guys, keep staying with us, and we will show you every little thing, every cutie thing we did to be able to get this hair in place, my dear. Don't go anywhere. Stay with us, and look at where we got to. So now I have to lay the hair flat. I actually took the audio out. This place was actually very funny. Now that we've got a little hold on the hair, let's start styling. I'm carefully blending her natural hair. I said this earlier. I'm carefully blending her natural hair extension, making sure to keep everything looking natural. It's all about patience, all about sweetness, all about talking to. So take your time. If you try this at home, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And here you have it. Yeah, here you have it. I'm about to take the wrap out. So look at this stunning transformation. We have managed to blend this hair beautifully with a wig extension. So take your time. We are still on. We are not done. Take your time with us. Don't go anywhere. I'm so proud of how things are turning out smoothly. So look at me. Now I have my clothes on. It's a little bit cold out there. So I'm wearing suit. As you can see, I have my clothes on, and I'm trying to straighten her hair a bit. I'm so proud of how it turns out, and I think we are definitely ready for that party, girls. Wait till you see the sorry about that English. Wait till you see the end. So she was telling me how that part is too glued to her head. You know, Chinese people, they are a little bit fragile, so you don't use too much. Look at how it has blended in, guys. Thank you so much, everyone. If you enjoyed this video and you find this tips helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more hair tutorials and fun content like this. A huge shout out to my friend for being such a great.
That's right. DIY with Pat. Let's go. DIY with Pat.